Hi, I'm Cailey.
Hi, I'm Mike Hindelighter, the Dean of Power. Oh wait, that's not me. My name's Theo. I'm one of the sales reps here at Powerwash.com. Today we're going to be going over some of our Christmas lights and accessories here today.
This year we have started selling Christmas supplies. Obviously, here at Powerwash.com, we usually supply pressure washing supplies, but we decided that we wanted to be there for our customers all year long. So here we have our basic C9 cord with some C9 bulbs on.
Yeah, and right now what we got on there is 3 different ones of our bulbs here. We've got the warm white, the pure white, and the red. We've got more options available. It's just what we're showing you here. We really like to use the faceted bulbs. It shines more and it provides better light for the customers. We mainly like to use the LEDs because it shines brighter, it uses less amperage for the customer, and it's a better overall experience altogether. One of the biggest things about using Christmas lights in general is that you're selling the lights and the service to the customer, so it can be quite profitable to you as a business and an industry in general.
One great thing about these lights is that you can lease them to your customer because they have about 60,000 hours of runtime on these bulbs, so they last a very long time.
So the base of his bulb itself is actually nickel plated, so what that means is just going to last longer, resist corrosion, just be a better overall ability for the bulb. It's kind of like whenever you're buying like a power washer pump or something, and then you get the extra nickel plated add-on. It's going to help prolong the life of your bulbs and keep things going the way you need to.